You are a young man looking to make a submarine to check the wreckage of the Titanic. If yes, then this tutorial will help you achieve a functioning submarine. Step 1. Call a friend who is reliable in making machinery.
304 New Life Street, Squidward speaking.
Como me dicen que le eche salsa, vamos a echarle salsa y vamos a echarle picante.
I will help you in that regard, Spongebob. Step 4. Make a blueprint design. That's not even safe, Spongebob. You worry too much, Squidward. Spongebob is right, listen to him, Squidward. Step 5. Set sail on your new engineering miracle. Where's the boat? Hop in, fellas, let's see that big boat.
80 minutes later.
This is so cool. We are so deep that we can even see the bacteria slow leaving the boat.
Oh, hey!